once my Toyota goes kaput, I'd like to get a four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's I don't care how fucking old it is. Man, I feel like I've been rolling around in fucking waddle.
You'll smell nice when you get home.
Fucking rolling. It's like next thing you're just getting your breath and fuck another mouthful of waddle.
But are you having a good time?
I am.
I've never been up this way. I've been down it like 3 times.
Okay. Let's watch this tree. That way, yeah. How's the cliff on your side, mate?
Yeah, pretty big. I'm just not fond of that rock there. I'll see if I can follow this ridge line. Whoa.
That's it, that's it. Well, that was the most technical hill of the day.
Yeah.
She was, fuck me, you'd be worried if there was any of these little fucking trees around.
Yeah, I'd have been getting you to guide me backwards. I said, I've been down there 3 times, I know I can get down.
Yeah.
Have 2 tracks on the roof as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, like, we could have stuck, you know, the tracks under one end.
Oh fuck! Look at that.
Yeah, I know I've hit this when it's been full of water and didn't know how deep it was. We're lifting and everything.
That's only a